Hey everyone, I just received this package from TSUJITA, LA. This is an artisan noodle place located in Los Angeles. They sent me this package. It comes with actually this really easy to follow instructions. We're gonna be making some Tsukemen today. Um, Basically, this is all you need. Everything is in this package right here. So you actually need 2 boiling pots of hot water right here. Um, and I'll be coming back to you guys in about 8 minutes. Basically, what you need to do is take the bag of soup and place this one in one of your pots like that. And then take the other one where you have the noodles. You open up the noodles and you just boil them in the other pot of hot water like this. The rest of the ingredients is right here. It comes one lime. I think this is the bamboo shots. I think this is just like pork, some seaweed, and finally some green onion. So that's all that comes in the package. You will need one strainer, one bowl, and then I'm just gonna use this to actually take the soup out of the water when it's ready, or the broth, right? And that's it, guys. So I'll just resume my video once the 8 minutes has gone by. Hey guys, I'm back. So 8 minutes went by. The broth is already done. As you see, the noodles are also good to go. And really careful, just make sure to put this in the bowl. Go. Put that in the bowl. It's starting to smell really good actually. Put this on the side. And according to the instructions, you just need to put all the ingredients back in the broth. So there we go. Right there. Pork. You can actually hear how the noodles are still boiling. I've already turned it off. I'm gonna add the green onion. Right there. And I'm going to save the seaweed to the end. The same with the lemon juice or the lime. I'm gonna stir this a little bit right here. And now I'm gonna take the noodles and just strain them. There we go. And according to the instructions, you just need to make sure to wash them really good with hot water or cold water, actually, in this case. Okay, I think that's really good. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in another bowl here. Go into the instructions. I'm gonna plate these together. Now I am going to put the seaweed into the broth. There we go. just like this. There's actually two of them right there. I'm going to take out the line to squeeze that in the broth. And now, time to enjoy. So I'll just grab a little bit of the noodles. I'm gonna place that in the broth. And now I'm gonna try how this is like. Really good stuff. I recommend this 100%. Really easy to do at home. And really tasty.